So guys, for the first method, make sure that you have no VPN or proxy server enabled right now. For the second method, you want to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter, double click on it, and then click on properties, and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure that you have both these options on the default. So obtain an IP address automatically, you want to select this one, and obtain DNS server address automatically as well, you want to select this one as well. So you want to keep both these options on the default and then click on OK. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the last method, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on enter. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. Now you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.